Hello friends, welcome back to my Python automation series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical ArCoAn. In my last two videos of Python automation series, we automated keyboard and mouse respectively, right? And today we will take it one step ahead and control computer screen using Python code, right? And today I will show you how Python will capture screenshot for us. So go to the computer screen. Step by step I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. Hello friends, today I will discuss automatic screenshot capture using Python. Okay, actually here Python will not just type, it will pass shortcut keys like a human. Okay, so I am moving into Python ideally and write the code step by step, right? So now I am just within the Python ideally, and so here I am writing the code step by step. So to do the screen automation using Python, we need a module pyautogui, right? So at first we import that module. So just write import pyautogui and just write as a alias, put the alias name pp, okay? And another module we need, which is time, okay? And then we just write in that way print, which will actually shows in the console. Print, just write within double quote screenshot automation starting within 5 seconds, okay? And double quote parenthesis close, okay? And then we just use the sleep, this method, for 5 seconds. So just write time dot sleep and send as argument 5 here 5 seconds, okay? And then we just write in that way. Actually here I will capture 4 screenshots, so that's why you just write for I in range and start the range from 1 to 5. That means it go from 1 to 4, right? Means 4 screenshots will be taken by this Python code, right? And then just write suppose ss equal and then just use pp dot screenshot this method, okay? And then we just write ss dot save, means we save the file and put the file name in that way. Just write f, means we use their formatted string, and within double quote just write in that way the name of the image underscore, and within curly brace just write I, means I at first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, okay? Means image underscore 1, image underscore 2 in that way, and extension we given dot png. The image is concerned, the extension is png, okay? And then we just write, after that it shows in the console print, means each and every screenshot is completed, then it will show in the console. Again we use the formatted string, so just write f and within double quote just write in that way screenshot, just put the number screenshot 1, screenshot 2 in that way, screenshot within curly brace I completed, okay? Then we write time dot sleep. Time dot sleep 4 means Python will wait for 4 seconds before taking the next screenshot, right? And then we close this for loop, means don't need the any statement for the for is concerned. Then we just write outside and within the console just write screenshot automation completed successfully, double quote parenthesis close, right? So we already write the code and now we save the file. So just go to file and save it, and I want to save it in my E drive. There is a Python code folder, and put the file name is suppose screen underscore automation and extension for Python is concerned, you already know .py, and save it. Why? Because in that folder we can search within that folder where screenshots are saved. 4 screenshots should be stored within that particular folder, right? And now we run the code, just press F5. So it's given screenshot automation starting. So we just open that, the first screenshot is concerned, and then suppose it is the second screenshot, okay, and then suppose we go for the another screenshot is concerned, this one is the third one, and the last one suppose this one, okay. Now what happened, we just go to the console, yes, screenshot automation completed successfully, okay. And now I just go to that folder, the E drive, and the Python code, this folder just checked, 4 images are there. This is the first image, whatever we choose for the screenshot is concerned. This is the second image, okay, this is the third image, and this is the fourth image, okay. Because we just choose for our code is concerned range from 1 to 5, means the Python code will take 4 screenshot, interval between 2 screenshot is 4 seconds, right? I hope you have understood this code, okay. Now we just add some part of this particular code is concerned, means we change some code within that. How? Suppose here after this range, then we use the another part, ts equal, just write time dot and then just write strf time and put some formatted %h, put an hyphen, %m, put an hyphen, and %s within double quote, end, parenthesis close, means hour, minute and second, means the time should be attached for each screenshot is concerned, for each screenshot name is concerned, okay. So in that case what happened, we just change this I to just write here ts, because we took this variable ts which actually captured what, the store, the current hour, minute and second, okay. And also there's a I is okay, because screenshot 1 completed, 2 completed in that way. Now we save it and again we run the code, okay. So 5 seconds will be started, so this will be the first one, suppose, okay, suppose this will be the second one, right, and suppose this will be the third one, fourth one, suppose. And if we just go to our code directly, so screenshot automation completed successfully, okay. Now we just go to that folder and again go E drive, Python code, just checked, it will add the 4 images with the time, right. So this is the first image with time is given 9:15:42 second, 9:15:46 second, 9:15:50 second, okay. And fourth one is the same because we don't change the screenshot from there, okay. Actually here I have shown how Python captures screenshot for us, right. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's Python automation series video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical ArCoAn for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.